Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful and reliable VPN app known as Net TunnelVPN. If you're looking for fast servers, multiple protocol options, and secure browsing all in one place, this video is just for you. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any steps and can unlock the full potential of this VPN tool. Let's get started. First things first, how to install the app. Open the Play Store on your device by tapping the Play Store icon. Once it opens, tap the search icon at the top, type in Net TunnelVPN, and hit enter. Now carefully scan through the results and look for the official listing. It should have a recognizable VPN icon. Tap on it, then hit the install button to download the app. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Once the installation is done, you'll see the open button. Tap it to launch the app. As soon as you launch the app, you'll land on the home screen. You might see a prompt asking you to allow notifications. Go ahead and allow or skip based on your preference. Before you do anything else, make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on. The app will then start loading available servers. Sometimes the app might restart itself. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Now let's explore the interface. Net TunnelVPN is split into two main sections: server selection protocol tweaks. To choose a server, tap on the server section. You'll see a list of global server locations. Scroll through and tap on the one you want to use. You can switch servers anytime. Next, choose a protocol by tapping on the Tweaks button. This opens a list of built-in protocol options like SlowDNS, V2Ray, and SSL. If you're an advanced user, tap on the Custom Settings radio button in the top right corner. This opens a window with more detailed protocol options, including custom server setups. Once you've selected your server and preferred protocol, go back to the home screen. Now, simply tap the Start button, and within seconds, you'll be securely connected. Want to share your VPN connection with other devices or your computer? Open the side menu, go to tethering, and activate the sharing feature. It's that simple. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy secure, fast, and flexible internet access with Net TunnelVPN. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and VPN guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.